Welcome to our English classroom, language laboratory teaching in English. I'm going to show you my classroom, my workplace, where my students have practice. I'm Megan. I'm from Aqtobe. This is a 6th year teaching English here, secondary school number 10. Let's go ahead and get started.
I think I'm going to start by the front door. I work in so that you can see what looks like as a student coming into this space. So this is the view, right? You work in the door, you can see sort of things. Double-decker, changing guard, Queen's Elizabeth II. We had a big act last year in English week and we used. So in the middle of the room we have desks and headsets. Teacher has a computer with appropriate software for conducting language exercises. Teacher and students wear headsets that block outside sounds. Why we use language lab in language teaching? With a language lab, all students in the class can speak.